Are you worried about your weight? Even you gain some pound during lockdown period? If you do not want like this, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to tell you 10 ways to maintain your weight or you can reduce your weight. This video for man and woman. What are we waiting? Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to The Bombs Point. My name is Ami and this is the quick reminder to you. Please subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to get new video notification. Nowadays, we all are stuck at home doing less physical activity, and we all are doing the activities like sitting on a couch, watching movie, eating some random food, and the most popular, many hours of sleeping. So this sedentary lifestyle may lead to some serious health problems like weight gain, obesity, diabetes and many more. Maintaining your weight is as difficult to reduce your weight. Right way of eating habit can help you to keep healthy or you can reduce your weight. The first thing all need to do is make a whole day diet routine. Your day with lukewarm water. Take your Indian healthy breakfast around 8 to 9. After that, take a one fruit. Even you can eat some citrus food. Take your lunch around 12 to 2 with wholesome food and the salad. Around 3 to 4 pm, have some herbal drink like green tea, lemon tea and the mint tea as your choice. And the last meal of your day, that is your dinner, try to take your dinner before 7:30 pm. Take your meal in a very simple way. Do not combine two carbohydrates in your meal. As in Indian thali, we used to take roti, sabji, dal and chawal. So those two roti and the rice together may increase your calories. So better to take only one carb in your meal. How much carb we require in a day, I already mentioned in this video, then do check it. Take your last meal around 7 to 8 pm. So that's why your body will get to time for a digestion before you go to sleep. Keep a 12-hour fasting. Are you worried or confused about 12-hour fasting? Don't worry, I will explain in very simple way. Nowadays, intermediate fasting trends going on. In that intermediate fasting, they suggest to 16 hours of fasting and the 8 hours of eating. In this way, our body can't adapt very quickly. So try with the 12-hour fasting. I know it's not as easy or not as tough. If you take your last meal around 7 to 8 pm and nothing to eat till the next morning breakfast, so in this way you have 12-hour fasting, because in this time period the maximum hours you are sleeping. So this is very easy way to adopt this intermediate fasting. There are lots of research going on intermediate fasting, and they have proven that this fasting method can treat obesity, cancer and the many other diseases. Even Ayurveda also mentioned this upvas or fasting in a Langan therapy. But every person has a different constitution and the prakriti. Know about your body and then start this intermittent fasting. You can drink any kind of the herbal tea like green tea, lemon tea, mint tea. This kind of the tea can help to improve our digestion, detox our body's impurity. Eat limited amount of maida and the deep fried item. Outside food mainly deep fried and contain maidas, so try to avoid as much as possible. But we can't go outside right now. So if you want to eat this mouth-watery item, then prepare at home once in a week. This way you have less amount of the carbohydrate and the fat. because excess amount of fat and carbs can increase your calories. Keep body hydrating. At least drink 8 glasses of water in a day. Don't drink cold water. Take some energy booster food like dry fruits, almond, dates, walnut in your day. Eat one citrus fruit in a day. Citrus fruits are orange, lemon, and many more. They are a very good source of vitamin C. Citrus fruits are rich in fiber and also work as an antioxidant. They are good for a skin glow. Citrus fruit mainly very good for the immunity booster. Nowadays we all need this. So at least one medium size of the orange, that is enough for your daily requirement of your vitamin C. Last, which is my favorite and 100% effective way to maintain your weight and reduce your weight, that is reduce all refined sugar intake in your diet. I know this is very tough, but it works 100%. If you actually want to reduce your weight, then cut all your sugar intake like sweet beverages, sweets, pastry, cake, and then just adopt natural sugars. So in this way you can reduce your weight as well as you can maintain your weight. This 10 ways of eating habit can help to maintain your weight. But if you actually want to reduce your weight, then do some physical exercise along with this diet. I hope this information will help you. If you like this video, then give it a big like and subscribe my channel. If you don't want your friends and family like this, then share with them. Give your feedback as in comment. I'm signing out. Be happy, be healthy and be positive. Stay tuned on this channel. Bye.